Hi everyone, let's see how easily and very quickly we can add parameters in your form URLs that you created. So I have a test form that I created here, and if I go to form sharing, I see that it gives me already a unique URL for this form, right? So, but for some reason, I want to add a parameter for maybe dynamic prefill or some other things. I want to add a parameter on this form. If I want to do that, I just need to add the field that I want to use as a parameter under the parameter field settings. For example, in my case, I have a BreezyBit prefill ID field. This is what we use, for example, for dynamic prefill feature. I want to add this as a parameter in the URL and then create URLs automatically, actually, whenever there is a new record created. So, and I want to make this parameter called, let's say, key, something, simple and short as well. If I save this form, oh, form protection is selected. It seems like I did that. I don't need it actually. Let's just save this form, and my parameter is set right now. So I can add a parameter named key and then use it with BreezyBit Prefill ID. Let me show you a really nice use case with that. So I have this account, for example, whenever I'm using a formula here actually with the keyword here as a parameter, as you see, whenever a new account is created in my org, I'm creating a prefill, a dynamic prefill URL using the key parameter that I added here, under the parameter fields. What it does is actually it creates a form for me whenever I create a new account record. This one I can share with my customers. And since I'm using dynamic prefill on this one, I'm making it password protected as well. And I set the password dynamically actually on that form, which is the email address of the customer. In this case, for example, I entered this. So my customers, if they go to this URL, when I share it with them, what they do is actually they share this with their customers annually, asking them to make any changes, any updates in their account information. If they change their phone number, if there are any changes in their website, their email address or billing address, shipping address, if there are any changes, or if you ask them to submit any files, for example, we do those, and then they collect the customer signature as well. So without giving them access to my org, I can use BreezyBit forms to create password protected forms together with a dynamic prefill option using the parameter fields actually here. I can create these kind of URLs easily and share it with my customers. But this is how you can use the parameter fields. It's so easy. Whatever field you want to use as a parameter in your URL, you can add it here in the parameter fields and then just set the keyword and use it in your org and share with your customers. So thanks for listening. See you in the next video.